In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can add end screen to your video using your mobile phone. Now, you might want to ask, what is end screen? End screen is that YouTube features that appears at the last 2 to 20 seconds of your video. Adding end screen to your video can actually aid your channel optimization because it's more like you are directing them to another video. That is another way of holding your audience retention. You can use end screen to promote other videos. It might be your playlist, it can be your merchandise, and even external website on your video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use your end screen to promote other videos, and it's quite simple and easy. Okay, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to add end screen to every of the video that you post on YouTube. As a YouTuber, I'm sure we all know what we call YouTube Studio. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually access your desktop site, okay, using just your phone. So here on my browser, this is my Chrome browser. At the tip of this my phone, just watch closely. There's a 3 dot there. I'm actually heading to my YouTube channel. So now I'll click on YouTube, okay, because it's a tab I've opened already. Now that I'm here, I'll click on these 3 dots, okay. Then I'll request desktop site, okay. I want to change the mode to a desktop site. So this is how you change you change to desktop site using your phone. That is, if you don't have a laptop, you can still use your desktop site. So now I will click on my profile, okay. If I click on my profile, yes, you see your YouTube Studio, okay. Now I'll click on my YouTube Studio. So this is what my YouTube Studio looks like, okay. And mostly this is where I upload most of my videos because I don't have time to upload on my laptop. So right now that I'm on my YouTube Studio, all I have to do is to click on all my content, okay. Now that I've clicked on all my content, I'm going to click on one particular one. You click on the title of the video, then you click on this pencil icon to edit, okay. So these are the details of my video. All right, now by the side of this task bar, as you can see, I'm going to click on editor. That is, I want to edit this particular video. I want to add my end screen, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, after I've not used this before because I'm always, while uploading, there are 2 methods to this anyway. There are 2 methods to this. Is either you add your end screen while uploading your video, or you add it after you have uploaded your video. So the one I'm going to be showing you today is how you add it after you have uploaded your video. So now I'm going to click on get started, okay. Now it has brought me here. All right, sorry for that. So here we have the list of things I can actually edit with my video editor. I have trim and cut, I have blur, I have audio, I have end screen, I have info cards. So now I'm going to click on end screen since we are dealing with end screen, okay. So for you to design your end screen, it's always like this. All you have to do is to click on your element. All right, for your end screen, you can add your playlist, you can add videos, and you can add your channel. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using another video. Remember, we are promoting other videos on our channel. So now I'm going to click on video. Fine. So there's a template on this what is it called, on end screen, okay? And for the template, you can actually choose to upload 2 or 3 or 4 more videos as your end screen, and the end screen will come at the end of your video, like almost at the end of the video. I think this particular one I have it as you can see I have this thing before now. I have end screen on this particular video before now. So these are the elements, I mean these are the templates. This is what the template looks like, okay? So this is my profile picture that you can see here. If anyone that watches my video to the very end clicks on this profile, it takes them to a subscribe interface where they will actually subscribe to my channel. All right, so and this particular one, this one is going to be promoting another video, and you can actually choose automatically feature the most recent uploaded long from video, or you can choose to allow YouTube to select a specific video to best suit your viewer, or you choose a specific video that you want to promote on your end screen. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be picking, I want to choose a specific video for that end screen, for that template. So now it's going to pop up all my content that I've actually created, both short and long video. So all you have to do is just to locate your long video, okay? I'll click on this. It has automatically fixed it in the template. And as for this as well, you can choose to let YouTube do its thing, or choose another video that you want to promote. So by the end of this video, my channel will be showing like this, and all you have to do is to make sure that they are not overlapping each other, because by the time it overlaps, it won't, like, your viewers won't be able to click it. In fact, it won't even save from here. So this is how you can actually design it the way you want. You know, you can play around with it. Just make sure you add that end screen so YouTube can actually promote other of your videos. End screen is so important, and is so like, many people underrate it. And I noticed that ever since I've been using end screen on my YouTube videos, it actually promotes other of my video and people get to watch it. All right, so this is how you do your end screen. So all I have to do now is to save it. All right, I want to save it. So I have saved it. I have actually added my end screen to this particular video. Remember, I told you can do it 2 ways. Is either you do it while uploading your video. Maybe I'll make a short video after this, after recording this, if anytime I want to upload my video, and show you how you can do it while uploading your video, and how you can this is how you can do it after you have uploaded a video. Okay, it's as simple as that. I hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you do, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, and share this video so other people can learn how to place end screen on their video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.